It's Sunday, the 6th of March, 2016. This is a chart for the US dollar gold price. I put up a chart a couple of weeks ago over the weekend, so I think it was probably about the 18th or 19th of February, and I was talking about this as a potential pennant or flag formation, and that I'd expect it to stay in this sort of range for a while and then test a breakout up or down. It broke out above that range on Wednesday or Thursday last week. And I think the Friday action looks a little bit bearish. You can see here quite a big doji candle, long wick up there, and a couple of wicks above this 1260 level that makes it look like it might be a bit of a fairly strong resistance zone. It is starting to look a little bit. It was in that strongly overbought region, which is why I thought we weren't going to go higher in the short term a couple of weeks ago. Consolidation would be a good sign. It's probably done that a little bit too soon, that break. I feel like it's for it to keep rallying up here is going to be difficult. I did, if I go back, I've been talking about this long downtrend for quite a while. It's tested that a few times. It looks like we're just peaking out above it here. It's not certain that that's a break above this downtrending range, but I was just having a look at some of the action we had in early 2014. And it looks a little bit similar. I mean, you can see here that we had this sort of uptrending little flag after a strong move. It's sort of consolidated higher and was, good bullish action there, and broke out above that little range for a couple of days. I mean, it's not a perfect analog, but it's similar here. So that that looks like a strong move, and then we had that big sort of a couple of big bars come in there and it break down. Now, it wouldn't surprise me if we saw something similar. I've just got a bit of a feeling everyone's sort of turned a bit bullish too quickly, which is what often happens with the gold market. But anything for it to keep going higher, I think it's going to struggle here. I just don't see it in the short term. A lot of the stock charts, which I tend to think are leading indicators of the gold price, aren't looking like they're going to go a lot higher. There's a few sort of bearish candles starting to form on some of the ones I've been following. Just starting to lighten a couple of positions there because it's I think the risk reward at this point probably isn't there in some of those gold price some of the stock charts. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of bearish action this week, but that's just my opinion. We'll see how it plays out.